wants a video.
Killing me. I'm teasing.
Everybody give him a round of applause.
Right there it is. About 94, 95.
Yeah,
I felt it cut a little bit.
Stick it out.
Ready. I will. I swear to God. It was cutting a little. It's called a cutter. That's how Daisy Dukes are made. It's Big Lug, the mascot for the Lugnuts. I swear to God it is. That's Big Lug.
So you're sure they headed back there?
It's like a rare dinosaur raptor thing. He's got two bolts on his face. Looks like Pink or somebody. Hey, come here, come here, come here. Hey, come with me. I swear to God, you won't believe this. I just found it. It's like a portal to freedom. I'm Donnie Baker, and right there, the stairway to the above-ground railroad, where all white trash will have the same rights as everybody else. I swear to God that's true. Get over here. There's your freedom. He's cool, but his breath smells like it has a henny in it. I swear to God. Set it right to his face. Better put that away for mine. But it shows up with her covered dish. Now, how is it you can do all that perfect, but didn't understand Legos when you was a kid? All in all, you're just another dick without balls. All in all, you're just another dick without balls. I bet you if I had a rock hammer, I could tunnel out of this fucking basement. 2 weeks. Give me a poster of white snakes. Decent ball peen effort. I swear to God, there's freedom on the other side. Let's go down here and see some more. Friends. This is Michaela Sue. She's fire ass hot.
Hi!
You don't get split ends. Nothing better than being in the green room of a rock club. You know you've made it when every other band that's ever performed here has had a Peter drawn over their face. Look at this Peter. I swear to God, tip of that Peter looks like a wisdom tooth or something. Some of my best friends are white, and they beat off to black porn. Damn. You're gonna fuck up the hog roast.